Hello friends, my name is Kamlesh and today's Viva topic is JVM architecture. Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language which is used to compile the program and execution. Java programming language needs, we know the Java programming language needs JDK software development. So we know the JDK already contains is JRE and JVM also. It includes also internal development tools. Internal development tools and overalls. Now JRE is nothing but a Java runtime environment. Which is used to provide the environment for execution of the program. And we know the JRE includes JVM and some of the libraries and class files. Now coming to the JVM. JVM is nothing but a Java virtual machine which is used to verify the program code and execute it. Now JVM divided into three categories. First is a class loader, second is a memory area, and third one is a execution engine. In JVM is convert source code to byte code, verify it, and which is check all program, and then code will be verified and then execute the program. Now coming to our topic, JVM architecture. Let's understand the internal architecture of JVM. It contain class loader. We know the class loaders, memory area and execution engine. First is a class loader. Class loader is a part of JVM which is used to load the class files and overalls. When we run the Java programs, class loader can load the class files. In class loader there are three class loaders. First is a bootstrap class loader, second is a extension class loader, and third is a application class loader. Coming to the next type is content memory area. It means class memory area can store memory files as per class structures and class names. It is a runtime constant pool and method data. Next is a heap. It is runtime data area where objects are located in the memory area. Now coming to the next is a stack which is used to store the frames. It is hold local variable and partial execute. Now in Java, each thread has a private JVM stack. It is create as a same time new frames is located in every time method invoked. When method is completed, then frame is going to be destroyed. Now coming to the next execution engine is execution engine. The Java program can verify the codes and then it is going to execute. That's why need the execution engine. It contains also methods that are used in applications. It is nothing but a virtual machine. That's why it is process is execution. In execution engine includes JIT nothing but a just in time. In process, JIT is provide improvement and performance. Thank you guys.